Hello guys, my name is Ashish and in this video we will talk about Go syntax. So, in last video we wrote our first Go program and first thing we need to understand that every Go program is made up of packages and this package main is the starting point to run the program. We will see how to create a custom package later in the series. In the next line, we will be importing module fmt from the package main. Here fmt stands for format. And we will also import another module math in the next line. Yes, we can import multiple modules like this. But this is not the right method that you should use. Instead what you gonna do is groups the imports into a parenthesis like this. Now let's go ahead and start with func main, and before we do anything let's use format println to print something like we print hello world in last video. We can continue doing that, but we can also say something like the base 2 exponential of 3 is math dot power 2 comma 3. Now something you might notice is uses of casing. So remember that in Go, function is exported if it capitalized, like here power is exported from math package. So guys, you just have to keep in mind that every function you gonna use in Go starts with capital letter, otherwise it will give you an error. Now I am gonna show you how you can learn or know more about functions. If you want to know more about functions or packages, then you can run go doc. For example, we could say go doc from the format package. We wanna learn more about print line and we hit enter here. So this is gonna tell us a little bit more about what we were doing. Here in the function it takes a interface and all your information basically. So guys, that's it about Go syntax. In the next video we will look at different data types in Go. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, write it down in comment box below and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.